So you're thinking about shooting your first IDPA match, and you're really excited and also a little terrified. In this video, I'm going to go over everything you need to know about gear, safety, targets, scoring, and penalties so that you will be ready to shoot your first IDPA match. What is up, guys? If you're new here, my name is Will Workman and I created this channel to make your concealed carry life better. If you are new to concealed carry, I want to give you something that will really help take your concealed carry to the next level, and that is my free guide to concealment. It's basically everything I wish I knew when I first started concealed carrying, and I want you to have it completely free. So click the link in the description below for your free guide to concealment. All right, when you first start looking into IDPA, it's very normal to feel nervous or intimidated. When you think about competition, you think, oh man, these people really know what they're doing. While there are some incredibly talented folks who compete, the IDPA community is so accepting and willing to help you out any way that you need. So don't be afraid to ask questions. All right, so IDPA stands for International Defensive Pistol Association. Essentially, IDPA is a shooting competition for concealed carriers who want to test and grow their skills. The benefits of shooting IDPA matches as a concealed carrier is that you get to practice some of the same skills that may be used in a real gunfight. Now, don't hear me wrong, a competition is not at all the same as a gunfight, but every gunfight is a competition. Many of the skills that you learn in competition can make you better at defending yourself. In IDPA, you get to practice shooting well under pressure, the stress is real, drawing quickly from concealment, emergency reloads, moving while shooting, engaging moving targets, and shooting behind cover. Now, I'm not knocking any other types of competition, but the thing that makes IDPA so special is that because everything is from concealment, you don't really need much extra gear other than your everyday carry setup. Here's a basic rundown of what you need. A gun that you can shoot well, a safe concealed carry holster. If you're unsure of what I mean by this, check out my video on choosing the right holster after this video. A spare mag pouch or two, ear protection, eye protection, 100 to 150 rounds of ammo, and a trauma kit. Now, a trauma kit is crucial to have with you not only on the range, but in everyday life. I've used mine on 4 separate occasions. If you need some good trauma gear, go check out my friends over at Mountain Man Medical. My affiliate link is down in the description below. All right, so the competition is set up in different sections called stages. You will be in your own group of competitors called a squad. Each stage will have multiple targets and typically some movement between targets. The range officer will go over safety rules prior to beginning the match and the instructions for each stage before each stage is shot. Again, don't be afraid to ask questions. Once the range officer goes over the instructions, he will call out each competitor by name to take their turn on each stage. All right, safety. The range officer will give commands for everything you need to do. The gun is never to be loaded or have a magazine in it until the range officer, or RO, instructs you to load and make ready.
You may load and make ready. The shooter, you may load and make ready.
The gun should also stay in the holster at all times until the RO instructs you to take it out. After loading and making ready, the RO will ask, is the shooter ready? Give a command of stand by, and when the shot timer beeps, the shooter may begin engaging the targets.
Stand by.
After the shooter completes the stage, the RO will ask if the shooter is finished. If so, the RO will give the command of unload and show clear. The shooter must take the magazine out of the firearm, lock the slide to the rear, and show the RO that the firearm chamber is empty. The shooter will then be asked to let the hammer down and then safely holster.
Go ahead, unload, show clear, slide forward, hammer, and holster. Range is safe.
All right, so the goal of an IDPA match is to hit all targets in the shortest amount of time. Sounds simple, right? Now, if you miss a target, it may not hurt your score as much as you think. There is no time limit, so be safe and go as slow or as fast as you feel comfortable. All right, targets. IDPA targets are made up of a large silhouette with a smaller silhouette inside, containing 2 circles, one in the chest and one in the head. If you get 2 hits in either of these circles, it counts as 0, meaning 0 seconds counted against you. 0 is good. You want the lowest score. Remember, it's all about your time. If you hit the small silhouette target, but hit the target outside the circle, it counts as a 1-second penalty. If you hit the large silhouette target, but miss within the small silhouette, it counts as a 3-second penalty. And if you completely miss the cardboard, it happens, it counts as a 5-second penalty for each miss. All right, this is important. Only your best shots count. So if you fire 5 times and only hit the circle twice, the other misses are not counted against you other than the extra time they take. There are also non-threat or no-shoot targets that are often in front of threat targets. If you hit a no-shoot target, it counts as a 5-second penalty. You may also see targets that look like this, where part of the target is painted black. This is to represent hard cover. This means that you must engage the exposed part of the target, and the black is counted as a miss because it is stopped by the cover. You may also hear terms like near to far or split the pie. Near to far simply means you engage the target closest to you before engaging the further targets. Splitting the pie means using cover, work your way around and shoot the target you see first, working inward to the other target. This also can be referred to as outside in. It may seem complicated, but like I said, most people there are more than willing to answer questions and help you in any way that you need. When the RO is explaining each stage, he'll ask if anyone has any questions. You will also learn a lot from watching others shoot the stage before you. IDPA is not only a great training tool, but it is a ton of fun. So get out there and try it out and improve your defensive handgun skills. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more concealed carry education. Be safe, have fun, and I'll see you next time.